Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix trade search not working. So everyone, there are multiple options and multiple solutions actually to fix that problem. In this video I'm going to do my best to explain them to you in a simple way, of course. What I want you to focus on is to follow my steps step by step and to listen carefully. So, first, and the first option and the first solution is to go into your Play Store and App Store. It depends on which phone you have, and then I want you to look if there are any updates on your trades that you haven't done. So let's go into trades and where is trades? Trades app. Okay, so that one, go into it and you will find here if you need to do any update to your trades app, or you need to check the Instagram app also, because trades is by Instagram, and check if you haven't done any last updates of Instagram. However, you need to go into your settings, and I want you to go into apps. You need to scroll down until you find apps option, tap on it, that one. And after that, I just want you to go into the second option, manage apps, and here I want you to look for trades. Okay, and right here what I want you to do is to go into the clear data, and once you tap on clear data, two options will be visible to you. I want you to go into clear cache, and after that I want you to go into the data usage and tap on it, and right here make sure all of these options are on. So once you've done everything, and once you do everything actually, after that I just want you to make sure that you don't have the problem of the network. So the network is not fixing this problem, and if any of the solution doesn't work with you, I just want you to restart your phone and get back to your trades app, and I'm sure that it will work for you. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.